You start making money using TikTok. It doesn't matter where you are with whatever business you're doing. You can use TikTok to leverage your business and start making money. Okay, today in this TikTok course, we are going to talk about doing duets. Hey, my name is Wendy. I'm a grandma from Ontario, Canada. I have taken my TikTok business from 0 to over 1,000 in just under 9 days, and I show you the strategy for this. I've also made over 6 figures in the online space in under 2 months on TikTok, and I'm spilling you all the beans in this course. Let's start talking about duets, why they can impact your business, how to even do them. You can share my duets. Happy to share with you. I'm going to put my TikTok below. Do a duet with me. Let me know in the comments if you're going to. I have a ton of videos, so if you want to leverage what I'm doing, happy to help. If you try to duet with somebody and they don't have it turned on, well, that means you can't duet with them, but I have all mine turned on to duetting, and you can do that with your profile as well so people can use your videos. It's a very powerful tool doing duets. Let's get into it.
Okay, so let's talk about duets. Now, that's a great thing to do whenever you feel like maybe you're just not creative. And, as you're scrolling through your homepage, you want to save.
Let's see how much sugar we will build an entire.
You want to save anything that you think this might be valuable for you to use in the future. Okay. So the little save button, we all know how to do that on our page. It's
hey friends, are you discouraged and ready to throw in the towel with affiliate marketing?
Button, okay.
Sometimes
so let's talk about duets. So I will go to my saved, which is right here again. Okay, you have to be on your profile. You go right to here. And I really like any advice that goes to entrepreneurs that help people. You want to make sure what you're showing people is stuff that your target audience would be moved by. Okay, so a message that would resonate with your target audience. And I like anything to do with being an entrepreneur, affiliate marketing. You might find something with stats with affiliate marketing. You can either take those stats and use it for yourself, or you can save the video and do a duet with it. I know I've seen a lot of people duetting mine. So as you begin, if you want to take one of my videos and use it as a duet, it'll help. You can leverage my hearts and loves and saves and follows. If it's getting a lot of traction on my page, then for sure duet it and say, and with a duet, you can't be speaking. So let's just look at this one. This one has 1.3 million, advice for young entrepreneurs. So this would really resonate with my...
if you had one piece of advice for young entrepreneurs, what would that be?
Just going to leave that off for a second. This would really resonate with me because when you're affiliate marketing, you are an entrepreneur. And you're going to hear his advice, and it's going to really speak to them. So you're going
if you had one piece of advice for young entrepreneurs, what would that be?
So many people are scared to fail. It's stupid. Like, go for it. Like, you just gotta go. If you sit there wondering, like, is this gonna work? Should I do this? Like, what's gonna happen?
Okay. So did you see that back there? Just go up there.
Like,
you go to that
what if you're never
arrow
gonna
right
get
here.
anywhere in life? You just gotta go for it. Throw one more on there.
And duet.
You gotta
right
get great
there.
people around you. Like, one of my best skill sets.
So you can see here that I can still have effects for myself if I want to have effects here. And also these along here will give you different options. So let's just look at those. So this one, I'm right in the screen. And that's kind of nice if there's a purpose for that or a place for that where you want to feel like you're right involved. Change my angle of my camera. Okay, so then there's this one. This is the most common one, side by side. This is probably the one I use the most when I do use duets. And this one's a nice one too, where you can point at it, which is nice. And also there's the one we're above. So let's try this one. And then what you're going to do is you're just going to react to the comments that the person's saying with your voice, with your hands. You have to do nonverbal acting. It's not good to just sit there with no reaction. You want to be like, look at this, like, yes, let's do this. Okay, so let's take a look at this.
If you had one piece of advice for young entrepreneurs, what would that be?
So many people are scared to fail. It's stupid. Like, go for it. Like, you just gotta go. If you sit there wondering, like, is this gonna work? Should I do this? Like, what's gonna happen if it doesn't work? Like, keep asking what ifs. You're never gonna get anywhere in life. You just gotta go for it. I'll throw one more on there. You gotta get great people around you. Like, one of my best skill sets is attracting like the right people to like learn from.
Okay, so say I didn't want that last piece in there, so I'll say yes.
If you had one piece of advice for young entrepreneurs, what would that be?
So many people are scared to fail. It's stupid. Like, go for it. Like, you just gotta go. If you sit there wondering, like, is this gonna?
So let's just discard that, and I want to stop it right at that one spot, and
grow from work.
So we're just gonna start over. So I just want to know to stop at that one section.
If you had one piece of advice for young entrepreneurs, what would that be?
So many people are scared to fail. It's stupid. Like, go for it. Like, you just gotta go. If you sit there wondering, like, is this gonna work? Should I do this? Like, what's gonna happen if it doesn't work? Like, keep asking what ifs. You're never gonna get anywhere in life. You just gotta go for it.
Right. Okay.
If you had one piece of advice for young entrepreneurs, what would that be?
So many people are scared to fail. It's stupid. Like, go for it. Like, you just gotta go. If you sit there wondering, like, is this gonna work? Should I do this? Like, what's gonna happen if it doesn't work? Like, keep asking what ifs. You're never gonna get anywhere in life. You just gotta go for it.
If you had one piece of advice for young entrepreneurs, what would that be?
So many people.
Okay, you see how I stopped it at that right spot, right where I wanted to stop it. So that way it just makes my point. Just go for it. I'm telling people they just need to go. Just take a chance and, on yourself and example. So you want also, I always think you
if you had one piece of advice for young entrepreneurs, what would that be?
So many people are scared to fail. It's stupid. Like, go for it. Like, you just gotta go. If you sit there wondering, like, is this gonna work? Should I do this? Like, what's gonna happen if it doesn't work? Like, keep it.
There we go. I'm gonna turn the volume down. So I always like to add a little bit of text because I'm not talking. So I want my target audience to really make sure they know what I'm doing. So maybe can you relate? And put a little finger down, finger point. Change the color. I want blue because I'm wearing blue. It looks better. So can you relate? Question mark there. Which have some good grammar. And you can add something else at the bottom too. Maybe take a chance on yourself. You can put that at the bottom because you have all this space, right? So you may as well use that real estate for your video. So then you want to add a little bit of, again, text in here with the hashtags, and then you can save that as a draft.
It's attracting like the right people to like learn from.
There you go. Simple as that, to create a duet. And those are great to just spice in or splice into your messaging. And just, you want to make sure that they are stuff that continues on with your target audience. You don't want to just throw in there a funny dog one unless you're saying, hey, this is me working at home with my dog and he's my business buddy. I mean, that could be funny, right? And it has to do with your business. But whenever you're doing a duet, you want to make sure it has everything to do with being affiliate marketer statistics, or entrepreneur, or you want to even, like I said, duet with me or somebody else who's achieving great results with the affiliate marketing platform you're using, or the rapid profit machine like I'm using, and just leverage their success in a duet, which is great. Okay, so that's pretty much it. You could also set the countdown timer if you wanted. It's up to you. Whatever works for you when you're starting your duet. All right.
Do it. All right, now you've learned how to do a duet. So fun, right? So fun. And it's somewhat of an easy way that you can put a video out without having to come up content of your own. That is the powerful thing about duets, but you want to make sure that you are only using duets that match what your business is all about. If it's motivation, helping people get motivated, if it's somebody else sharing about the same type of business as you and you want to leverage what they're saying because they say it so well, they're further ahead than you, do it. Do a duet. Like I said, happy to share go to my TikTok channel, use any of my videos and duet, and let me know you're doing a duet because you saw this on my YouTube channel. Now, next we're going to talk about getting leads for your business. So important. So stay tuned for the next video. I'll see you there.